This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota Prius fuel cap. First, locate the fuel door release button, typically found on the driver's side dashboard or floor. Press this button firmly to unlatch the fuel door. Once unlatched, you can simply open the fuel door by hand. This initial step is quick and easy, getting you ready for refueling in no time. Now that the fuel door is open, it's time to remove the cap itself. Turn the fuel cap counterclockwise. You'll feel it loosen, and then it will start to click. Keep turning until you hear several clicks, indicating it's fully disengaged. Once it clicks freely, simply pull the cap straight off the filler neck. Remember to hang it on the designated holder if your Prius has one. After refueling, securing the fuel cap properly is crucial. Place the cap back onto the filler neck, aligning the threads. Turn the cap clockwise until you hear at least 3 distinct clicks. These clicks confirm that the cap is securely tightened, preventing fuel vapors from escaping and ensuring your vehicle's emission system functions correctly. A properly sealed cap is important for your Prius. Finally, close the fuel door. Gently push the door until it clicks securely into place. Make sure it's flush with the surrounding body panel to maintain aerodynamics and appearance. Before driving off, quickly check your dashboard for any check engine or loose fuel cap warning lights. If you see one, reopen and retighten the cap. You're now ready to continue your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.